to make money on Freelancer as an Instagram marketing expert. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner or a visitor coming to this platform to hire an Instagram marketing expert, I will just go to hire freelancers in here and go to buy skills and search for Instagram marketing experts. So here we have internet marketing specialists. You can just go for social media marketing specialists to show you an example. And here you will be able to hire expert social media marketers for any job, and by scrolling down you will be able to see their profiles in here. So click on see more social media marketers, and here you'll be able to see their profiles, how much they're getting paid per hour, what are they talking about in their profile, how are they talking about themselves, and all of these stuff. And here by choosing one of these people's profiles to check it, so let's choose this one's profile for example. You'll be able to see everything about him and the skills that he can perform. As you can see, you will be able to see the skills that he can perform. You can see what are the skills he can perform, the ratings that he have, the reviews, the amount of money he earns during projects, and also the likeliness to accept a project. You can see also how many jumps he completed, how many he completed on budget and on time, the repeat hire rate he has. You can also check his description where he talks about himself, the skills that he can perform, the years of experience that he has, and you can also see his verifications if he has all of these verified or in check. So the profile in this platform can tell you a lot about the freelancer. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like this man, how to add your cover photo, how to add your profile picture, and how to add your portfolio as well. So let's go back to the main page. Let's close this one. Let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your own profile as well. So here, let's give it a few seconds to load. Click on earn money freelancing. Then make sure to fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my username and my password. Then click on login. And here give it a few seconds, then you will be redirected to your dashboard. And the dashboard is where you can control everything about your profile. So here in this button in your top right, you will be able to see everything about your account and your finances as well. So here you can view your profile, you can see your membership, check your account analytics, check your bid insight, check your settings, and when it comes to finances, you can see your balance as well. You can add funds, withdraw funds. You can also check your transaction history and your financial dashboard, your payment sharing, and if you have encountered any problems, you can head to the support. And if you want to invite a friend, you can click on this link and you will be provided with your own custom link. And if you want to log out, you can also do that. So let's go up in here and let's go to view our profile. We still have a lot of changes to make in our profile. So here, as you can see, the profile looks pretty empty. We have 0 reviews, 0 amount earned, 0 likeliness to accept a project, and 0 in everything. So let's start adjusting our profile by clicking on edit profile in here. And then the first step you will need to do is to verify your email. As you can see, email verification required. So make sure to verify your email. After that, you proceed to drop in a profile picture, and profile picture is very important, guys, because there is no client that will accept to work with a freelancer who doesn't even have a profile picture. You will look like you're a scammer or something like that. And then you proceed to drop in or to upload a cover photo as well. It's also helpful. Then you move on to the verifications. So here you're going to verify all of these things, starting with joining the elite group of the best freelancers, and also verify your identity through a government issued ID check and a proof of address. Verify your payment method as well, verify your phone number and the email. We've talked about it before. And if you have a Facebook account, you can connect it in here too. And if you are wondering why do I need to go through all of these verifications, simply, guys, because these verifications will make you gain more trust and credibility in the eyes of the clients. And when you're done with the verifications, then you proceed to enter in your hourly rate. After that, you proceed to enter in a professional headline. It's where you're going to enter the skills you can perform and things like that. Then you proceed to the summary, and it's where you're going to talk about yourself, talk about your skills in depth, talk about how many years of experience you have, the skills that you can perform, the projects that you worked on before, and those kind of stuff. Then you proceed to enter in your top skills. So here you're going to enter your skills. You can add up to 20 skills, so make sure to choose all of the skills that you can perform. So let's remove this one first, and here let's search for a skill. Instagram marketing expert. Let's go with, we have Instagram marketing, and let's remove marketing in here. And let's see what we have in here. Instagram ads, and that's also under the Instagram marketing. And when you're done with choosing your skills, scroll down and click on save to save those changes. After that, you scroll down and add your portfolio as well. The portfolio is also important. And after you're done with all of these adjustments, then it's time to make some money. So go to browse in here, click on projects, and here you will be able to see all of the posted jobs that are looking for someone to hire. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.